Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to send Tronpad from Trust Wallet. First thing first, launch the Trust Wallet app on your mobile device, then make sure your wallet is unlocked and connected to the internet. Now on the home screen, scroll through your assets and tap on Tronpad. If you don't see it, tap the plus icon, then search for Tronpad, then toggle it on to make it visible. Now inside the Tronpad token screen, tap Send button. Pass the wallet address of the recipient or your wallet or exchange address if you're moving funds. Double check the address. Tronpad is a BEP20 token, so you must use a Binance Smart Chain. Now type how much Tronpad you want to transfer. You can also tap Max if you want to send your entire balance. Now since Tronpad runs on Binance Smart Chain, you'll need a small amount of BNB in your Trust Wallet to cover gas fees. If you don't have any, you'll need to deposit a little BNB first before the transfer can be succeeded. Now carefully review your recipient address, amount of Tronpad, network fee, then tap Confirm to send. Once submitted, you can check the progress under History in Trust Wallet or copy the transaction hash and track it on bscscan.com. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.